Can you use NoSQL injection on a login page? Absolutely! If the application uses a NoSQL database, this is definitely one of the vulnerabilities you need to check on the login page. But most importantly, before we start, never test or attempt NoSQL injection on any application unless you have been explicitly authorized to do so. This is illegal and could get you into serious trouble. Okay, back to NoSQL injection. A classic attack involves injecting into both the username and password fields using the $NE, not equal operator. Instead of submitting a normal form, you manipulate the request so the server receives something like username equals admin &password, $NE equals wrong password. What this does is ask the database, give me the user where username is admin and the password is not equal to this wrong value, which will match any existing user, effectively bypassing the password check entirely. Beyond $NE, there are other operators worth trying. The $GT operator, greater than, can be injected into the password field as password $GT equals with an empty value, which matches any password that is greater than an empty string, meaning any password at all. The $regex operator, injected as quote password $RGX equals $*, tells MongoDB to match any password that fits the pattern, and $** matches everything. The key signal to watch for is whether the app behaves differently when you inject these operators, a login that succeeds, an error message, or a response that looks different from a normal failed attempt. Always try NoSQL payloads on login forms, especially when you suspect Node.js, Express, or MongoDB in the stack. That's it for today. Stay legal, stay ethical, keep learning. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.